దిస్ ఇస్ శ్రీధర్ కడారి, సీనియర్ జర్నలిస్ట్, మేనేజింగ్ ఎడిటర్, వి మీడియా న్యూస్. ఇప్పుడు మనం హైదరాబాద్ మహానగరంలోని స్టేట్ ఆర్ట్ గ్యాలరీలో ఉన్నాము. ఇక్కడ అద్భుతమైన పెన్ ఎక్స్పో జరుగుతుంది. ఇక్కడ భారతదేశం, తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాలు మెచ్చే అద్భుతమైన క్యాలిగ్రాఫర్స్ ఉన్నారు. అందులో భారతదేశంలో అత్యున్నతమైన క్యాలిగ్రాఫర్ సమీర్ మెహంతా మనతో ఉన్నారు. అందమైన రాత మన జీవితాన్ని, గీతను మార్చేసి ఒక సామాన్యుడిని అసామాన్యునిగా మారుస్తుందంటున్నారు. నిజంగా క్యాలిగ్రఫీ గొప్పతనం ఏంటి, ప్రత్యేకత ఏంటి? ఈ భారతదేశంలో వేలాది మందికి క్యాలిగ్రఫీ ఆర్ట్ను నేర్పిస్తూ వాళ్ళ జీవితాల్లో వెలుగులు నింపుతున్న సమీర్ మెహతా మనతో ఉన్నారు. వాళ్ళ శిష్య బృందం కూడా ఉన్నారు. దాదాపు ఒక మంచి డైమండ్ లాంటి, ఆనిముత్యాల లాంటి అద్భుతమైన శిష్యులను సమీర్ మెహతా గారు తయారు చేశారు. ఈ శిష్యుల ద్వారా ఎన్ని లక్షల మందికి క్యాలిగ్రఫీ నేర్పిస్తున్నారు అనేది సమీర్ మెహతా మాటల్లో విందాం.
I have been doing calligraphy since almost around 30 plus years. In between I left and then again I've come back. Now I'm teaching approximately since last 4.5 years I've been teaching calligraphy. Earlier I was teaching with a partner of mine. Now I'm individually teaching calligraphy. Because of this COVID also we are doing now online classes. And by God's grace this is really going good. A lot of people are now showing interest in calligraphy because it's a kind of art which takes you into meditation. It actually improves your brain cells. All right, it gives you a lot of deep meditation. It relieves you from your mental stress, your activities, and it also gives you a lot of pleasure while writing. Calligraphy is an art by itself. It is not easy to learn, but once you learn, you have to master it. It will take years and years to master a script. There are several scripts in my calligraphy. Every person today, they have, a lot of people in fact, they have this a wrong notion called font. They don't write we don't write fonts in calligraphy. Fonts are digitally used. What we write is known as a script, not as a font. I must have trained more than 300 plus members till now. We are available on all social media like Facebook, Instagram. I am available on Instagram at the name of sam.calligrapher. They can contact me there. Plus, my WhatsApp number is also in the social media. They can contact me on WhatsApp as well. The way of thinking changes widely. I have seen personally many narrow-minded people, they become broad-minded after doing calligraphy. And it teaches you discipline in your life. The best part is it teaches you discipline. Your brain gets a lot of progression in this. That is the beauty of calligraphy. It is a very great feeling when you're actually doing calligraphy. And when you get appreciated for your work, it is a wonderful feeling in fact. Top of the world feeling bol sakte hain. All over India, I have taken workshops in 5 different cities also in India. Foreign countries we are planning very soon, we should do that also.
My name is Syed Shah Abul Hasan Khadri. I teach calligraphy from almost around 5 to 6 years now. I have started calligraphy around when I was around 11 years old. I started Arabic calligraphy. Then I started learning all the English scripts. Basically, I teach in India and also abroad. So, calligraphy is such an art that inspires you to do everything, explores the emotions inside the human body. It makes you one with your soul, and it gives you a stress-free and effortless life. So, if you try to practice calligraphy, I would recommend try to practice it the traditional way, so you can learn the disciplines of the calligraphy and you can do the calligraphy how it actually has to be done. If you try to do the calligraphy in modern way, you will just build up bad habits and you will just build up what we call in calligraphy field is wrong practicing habits. It will give you back injury, arm injury, muscle injuries, etc. To practice in traditional way and learn how to learn the script. देखिए उर्दू लैंग्वेज के अंदर देखिए मैं भी हूँ, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स भी है और क्या है जो यहाँ पे ऐवान बोल के जो है अदबियात उर्दू बोल के जो बनाया हुआ है नेशनल काउंसिल फॉर प्रमोशन ऑफ उर्दू लैंग्वेज की तरफ से, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, तो वहाँ पर भी ऑलमोस्ट 1000+ स्टूडेंट्स सीख रहे हैं अभी उर्दू कैलीग्राफी, उर्दू एज वेल एज अरबिक कैलीग्राफी. तो कैलीग्राफी अगर आप उर्दू करो या कौन सी भी लैंग्वेज में करो, देवनागरी है, तेलुगु लैंग्वेज में है, बस मेन चीज़ क्या है आप फोकस करिए आपकी बॉडी एंड सोल को वो कैसा कनेक्ट करता, आप उसको अपने आप को उसको कैसा एक्सप्रेस करते हैं आपकी राइटिंग को, वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है. आप अपने आप को पहचाने, वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है. आप जब कैलीग्राफी करते उससे पहले आपको क्या है, आप कौन है आपको नहीं मालूम रहता। जब आप कैलीग्राफी करना शुरू करते तो आप कौन है, आपका ज़िंदगी का मकसद क्या है, आप अपनी ज़िंदगी को किस हिसाब से गाइड करना है, आप क्या प्रॉपर तरीके से आप आगे जा सकते। डिसिप्लिन आता, एक तरीका आता आपको सीखने का।
My name is Zahid Akram. I started calligraphy when I was in 5th class. So first I was doing painting, sketching, and then I got interested in calligraphy, and then I started doing it. But I wasn't having much, totally like, yeah, this is the art, I have to do it and I have to take it forward. Then I came to know about many people doing calligraphy in India and abroad. So I got to touch in with all the peoples here, with all the masters, and then I started learning from them, and then I improve a lot. So right now I'm concentrating more on Gothic calligraphy, which is a part of 1300 AD. So at that time people used to do it, and for writing a certificate and invitations, all this.
मेरा नाम मुदस्सिर, मेरा जो नाम है इंस्टाग्राम पे मुदस्सिर कैलीग्राफर। मैं 2014 में स्टार्ट किया कैलीग्राफी सीखना, देन स्लोली 18 तक मैं उसको सीखा। दिस ईयर स्टार्ट करा सिखाना। सो बेसिकली आई टीच अरबिक कैलीग्राफी एंड इसके साथ ही साथ जो अरबिक कैलीग्राफी के लिए जो टूल्स वगैरह होते वो किस तरीके से बनाते, उसका क्या यूज़ है, दैट ऑल्सो आई टीच। अभी तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि अभी बहुत सारे लोगों को मैं देख रहा हूँ कि लाइक अरे कैलीग्राफी ये है, ये आर्ट है कैलीग्राफी, इससे ये कर सकते हैं आप, आपको ये बेनिफिट्स है। इससे मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि लोगों को पता चल रहा है। सिंस लास्ट 2 इयर्स मैं देख रहा हूँ कि बहुत सारे लोग ज्वाइन हुए कैलीग्राफी, वेदर इट इज़ अरबिक, इंग्लिश, उर्दू, देवनागरी, वट एवर इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू कैलीग्राफी, बहुत सारे लोग ज्वाइन हुए हमारे साथ। इसीलिए बहुत खुशी है और लोग भी ज्वाइन कर सकते, अलग अलग स्क्रिप्ट सीख सकते, अलग अलग अपने आप को एक अलग वे बता सकते, स्टाइल्स बता सकते।